Hi, I'm Tony Fast. I'm Fast Ag Montana, and I am proud to be part of the Crary Pro Team. That's one breath. I gotta take a breath in there.
That Crary wind system does a great job of pushing all that seed into the header. So now that we're going to be cutting chickpeas here in a day or so, we need to get them put back on and keep them pods on the sickle and not on the ground. We'll put them on quick and be ready to go tomorrow cutting chickpeas. That's not where that goes.
Oh, those are nice 16s.
That's lovely. Oh, cut that out. Can't show that one on YouTube. The real sponsorship we're looking for is Milwaukee.
Right?